Assalamualaikum guys, I hope you're doing well. Very happy new to all of you from my side. My dears, listen to me carefully. I advise you to please forgive everyone on this occasion and also seek forgiveness from others as well to make your life more peaceful. On flipper side, I also advise you to please take good care of your soul, your mind, your health, your wealth, your knowledge, your skills, and your beloved ones, your family at first. And also I suggest you to please welcome positive voice inside you to be more protective and progressive for others and for yourself as well, such as love, courage, and determination and motivation and support, and also dispose all those negative thoughts and feelings such as hatred, jealousy, envy, etc. and separate peace to have peace, separate success to have success. So chase your dream, go outside and be a struggler and be successful. Thank you.